going to give the demo of our design of Internet services project, that is IPFS chat application. So this is our application. We have just made our application up. We have run the command npm start in order to make our application up. Okay, so let me open our chart window. Yeah, so when you open a chart window, it actually asks for the username. So let me enter the username as Srikar. So after entering the username, a unique ID is created for each of the user, which is called as peer ID. So the peer ID is displayed here. So each user, when he enters the username, he gets generated his peer ID. And by using this peer ID only, we can create a channel among the users, and we can do peer-to-peer chat communication between them. And we have used IPFS and RPTB in order to build our application. Okay, so let me now open with another user. Yeah, so let me open the incognito window and let me open another web page, and let me enter another username here, which is Nitish. So as you can see, another period got generated for the user Nitish. So now in order to establish a connection, let me take this peer ID, and if I go to the web page of the first user, and if I go to the profile section, I could enter my friend peer ID here in order to create a channel. Yeah, so I just entered the period and clicked on create friend directory. So here, as you can see, the alert says the directory for the peer is created. So let me click on OK, and let me go into another user and also get him connected to the connection. Yeah, so let me take this peer ID. Yeah, and let me go into another user. If I go to profile and enter the peer ID and create the friend directory, now the friend directory is created. So a channel has been established among these two users. Now let me go into the chat window. So if I go on start a chat, I can see in the friend list it is the friend which I have added it previously. So let me click on this. So as you can see, the chat window has opened. Now let me go into another user as well, which I opened in incognito tab, and let me click on start the chat. Here, as you can see, the friends list, here another friend is present, where I can, by clicking on it, a chat window is open. Now if you can see, a ID is generated for this channel, which is nothing but the peer ID, a combination of peer ID of both of the friends. Like if you can see the starting letter as QM and ending it as CGY, and let me go into another user. Yeah, here is also the starting letter is QM and ending with CGY. So let me type a message and start the chat conversation. Yeah, so I have typed hello, how are you, and I clicked on send message. So here you can see Srikar, which is me, has sent a message like hello, how are you. Let me remove it. So now what we'll do, we'll go back to the other user and check if the message which I have sent is received by that user or not. So let me go into another tab. Yeah, so let me, as I come to here, and the message is reflected. It says Srikar, hello, how are you. This is the message which I have sent it from the different user, first user to the second user, just a few moments back. Yeah, let me now send the message from this end as well. Hey, what are you doing? Yeah, so now it says Nitish, hey, what are you doing, right? Now as we sent a message from the Nitish end, and this is an incognito tab, as this is a different user. Now okay, now what we'll do, we go into another user and check if the message sent by Nitish is received by Srikar or not. So this is an incognito tab, and if I go to the normal tab where Srikar is logged in, so as you can see, the message sent by Nitish is received by Srikar as well, like the message is reflected from the Srikar as well. So this is how the peer-to-peer chat application is works. Like here, as we can see, both Srikar and Nitish connected via a channel, and messages has been sent from both of the sides. Now what we'll do, we'll send some random messages or something. So we'll send some 100 messages or something, and we'll check if those messages will be reflected or not. So yeah, let me send some random messages. Yeah, I'm sending some random messages. Like if you can see all of these messages, like yeah, I'm sending some random messages. Okay, let me see how many messages I have sent. Yeah, I have sent some of the messages. Let me send some more. Yeah, I think I have sent nearly 100 messages. Like if you can see, Srikar has sent nearly 100 messages to Nitish. Now let us check from the Nitish end whether those messages are received or not. So this is a normal Chrome browser. Let me go into another user chart window, that is which is open in incognito. Yeah, so if you open in the incognito browser, which is a Nitish, as you can see, like all the messages sent by Srikar are received by Nitish. Like yeah, this is the previously which your message which you have sent. Like yeah, all these messages are received by Nitish as well. Yeah, so before concluding our project, let me once show the code how we have implemented. So there are multiple files in our project. We have written the code in JavaScript. Like there is index.js, there is a HTML code, there is a IPFS, there is OrbitDB, and many other things. And more details of the project as a can be seen in the project report which we are submitting. Thank you.